back, this is Leena. So I'm sure you're wondering why am I dressed like this. As you all know, Navratri is just around the corner, and I just love this festival. I love playing dandiya. These 9 days are just amazing. So this is one of my look that I'll be doing for this Navratri season, and I'm sure you want to see how it is and you want to try it yourself. So it's going to be a simple Navratri makeup look. So let's start now. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a nice primer. So the primer that I'm going to be using today is by Sephora. And this is a must. You have to use a primer because you'll be playing dandiya, garba, and you'll be sweating a lot and you want your makeup to stay in place. So I'm just going to apply this. So guys, once I've primed my face, I'm going to use a concealer, and the concealer that I'll be using today is from Maybelline. So I'm just going to apply it under my eyes and the upper lids. And now I will start with the foundation. The foundation that I'll be using today is from Makeup Forever, and my shade is N127. So this foundation really hydrates my skin, as I have dry skin, and it's very light, doesn't make your face very cakey. Concealer. My shade is NC42. I'm going to apply it around my eye area just to highlight it, and just to cover up this dark circle which I have. So I'm just going to apply this. And for that I'll be using this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start with a neutral shade, so I'll just be applying this shade. It's called Shy. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Once I've done that, I'll be applying this shade called Flamingo. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be applying this shade. It's called Flame. It's a metallic shade. Once that's done, I'm just going to blend this. So once I've done with that, I'll be taking this green eyeliner and I'm going to apply this now. Applying this gel liner. It's from Maybelline and it's called Eye Studio. Now it's time to apply some mascara, and the mascara that I'll be using today is from Maybelline. It's called Big Shot, and this is a waterproof mascara. Make sure that you use waterproof mascara so that when you sweat your mascara doesn't come off. That will look really bad. To do my brows, and for that I'll be using this Benefit Browsing, and I'm just going to do my brows with this. I'm just going to set it with this powder. So blush palette by Sivanna Colors, and I will take this shade. I'm just going to apply it on my cheek. I'm going to highlight my face by using the same blush palette. So this is the shade that I'll be using to highlight my face. So once that's done, I'm just going to set all this by using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder. This look by using some lipstick, and this is from Miss Claire. The shade is 35. I think the shade is a little too dark, so I'm going to just apply another shade on this to make it a little subtle. I'll be using the shade number, it's 58, is again from Miss Claire's. I just want to tone it down, so I'm just going to apply this. So guys, I'm just going to wear some jewelry, do my hair, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm done with the makeup, and I just wore this amazing jewelry, and I'm all set for Navratri. So I hope you like this look. Do try it and let me know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys. Bye.